Good day everyone and mabuhay! We are the fifth group of researchers from BSIT 4DG1 at Bulacan State University, College of Information and Communications Technology. As part of our community service obligations, we were commissioned to develop a web-based community management information system for Pandi Resettlement Residences. This project will serve as the basis for the sustainability of the SIM Adopt-a-Barangay Program, which seeks to uplift the lives of women and families in the community. This project will have two major parts. The first one will be our resident side, and the other one is the admin side. The admin side is further divided into three, which are the admin, super admin, and the general admin. The admin side is designed for SIM, or the Soroptimist International Makati, while the super admin is for the barangay clerk or secretary, and the general admin is for the barangay captain. For the resident side, they will be welcomed by the homepage of the website. There will be a button on this page where they can request documents such as a certificate of indigency, barangay certificate, and cedula. This will also display some information about Barangay Siling Bata. This page will also feature galleries of pictures and landmarks that represent their barangay. In the Announcements tab, this will display any announcements posted by the admin of the barangay and SIM. It will display the title of the announcement, the date posted, and other details about it. For the Vision Mission tab, it will display the goals, vision, mission, and other future plans and targets that the current administration plans to accomplish. In the Events tab, just like the Announcement tab, it will display the title of the event, the date and time, and other details related to the said event. Feedback coming from the barangay residents is very important. In this Feedback tab, they can report issues and concerns they've encountered, and the barangay admins will be notified about it. This part will also collect their personal information so that barangay official may contact them for updates on their concerns. The About tab is subdivided into two sections. The first section is about the barangay, where it will display a brief background and history of the barangay. It will also display the barangay officials from the barangay captain up to barangay treasurer. The latter part of this page will display the youth councilors or the Sangguniang Kabataan. The second section of the About will be the information about the project development team of the system. It will also display their faces and roles in the making of this project. All three admins will be welcomed by this login page where they need to type in their username and password. As a security feature, they must also click the I'm not a robot in reCAPTCHA. This serves to differentiate between humans and bot online, enhancing security by preventing automated abuse such as spamming forms and conducting fraudulent activities. This is the interface of the general admin of the system, and this will have most of features in the system. From the header of each of the admin, it will have this menu button where they can hide and show the labels for each of the tabs. It also has a switch where the admin can turn the system into dark or light mode. This bell button will display the recent notifications or announcements, and this feature will be an easy access for the user to go the account settings or log out. The general admin will be welcomed by a dashboard where it displays the summary of records in the system, such as the total numbers of the residents, PWD, senior citizens, scholars, solo parents, and PARPIS beneficiaries. This will also display the recent document requests and the events and reminders. For the Resident tab, it has a button where the admins could add another resident to the system. When it is clicked, it will display the Add Resident form that includes all the personal information of the residents. This page also displays all the residents' record in database. The admin can print these records and save them as a PDF. The admin can also download the Excel file of the records. The admin can also search for a specific resident. The admin could also update and view the specific resident record or delete it. For the Household tab, it will display the registration form of each household. When it is clicked, it will display a form that includes all the information of each household in the barangay. At the top part, it also displays a summary of the records, including the total number of the residents and households. Just like the Resident tab, the records can be printed as a PDF and can be downloaded as an Excel file and can be specifically searched. Specific records can also be viewed, updated, and deleted. The Statistics tab will also display a summary of records, such as records presented in the dashboard, but it will also display the data distribution or pie chart of the records. It will display the chart for age, gender, education background, employment status, marital status, and household size. All of the information in this will also be printed as a PDF file. In the Certificates and Permits tab, it will manage all of the document requests of the residents. It also has a button where the admin can add a request manually if the resident did not request from the resident side of the system. When the button is clicked, the admin will just type the name and click Submit to add a request. Beside the button, there is also a summary of the total number of pending requests and all of the completed requests. The admin could also print the records as a PDF, download the records as an Excel file, and search for a specific resident. The admin could also view, update, and delete a specific record. This system could also print the specific barangay certificate of the requester. In the Blotter tab, this will display the issues reported by the residents. When the Add Report button is clicked, it will display a form that will ask for name, the date, and the incident details. This tab also displays the total numbers of pending reports and all of the resolved reports. The admin could also print the records as a PDF, download the records as an Excel, and search for a specific record. The admin could also update the status of the information of the plotter and could also delete it. In the Barangay Profile tab, the barangay captain could update the information of the barangay officials. The information in this section is reflected on the resident side of the system. In the Events and Reminders, the admin could add an event through this button. When this button is clicked, the system will ask the admin to input the event's information and its date. This page could also display the total number of recent events, upcoming events, and ongoing events. The admin could also print the data in PDF form, download the Excel sheet, and search for a specific event. The admin could also edit, view, and delete an event. The information from this tab is also reflected on the Residents Access page. In the Announcement page, it displays the total number of announcements created in the system. It also has a button where the admin can make a new announcement. When the button is clicked, the system asks the admin to put the needed information to post an announcement. The data from the announcements can also be printed in PDF form, can be exported as an Excel sheet, and can search for a specific record. Specific records can also be viewed, updated, and deleted. For security purposes, the Logs tab will record all the activities that are happening in the system. It will record the name of the user, the action they performed, and the time and date of their actions. It can record activities such as logging in, logging out, editing certain data, deleting information, and such. Logs can also be printed in PDF form and can be exported as an Excel sheet. The admin can also search for specific data they are looking for. The visual map displays the map of Pandi and its barangays. It displays important data. It also displays the map of Barangay Bata and the divisions of Resident 1, 2, 3, and 4. When the mouse pointer of the admin hovers over the map, it displays important data about it, such as total numbers of residents, PWD, senior citizens, scholars, solo parents, and such. It also displays the map of the village and houses itself, and the details are also display specific information from that. In the My Account tab, the admin can update their personal information such as their profile picture and their password. For the About tab, it will display information regarding this project and the project development team behind this system. Again, this part is a general admin section. This user access has all the features, but for the super admin side, the super admin will only have access to the Dashboard tab, Resident tab, Household tab, Certificates and Permits tab, Blatter tab, Barangay Profile tab, Events and Reminders tab, and Announcement tab. For the admin side of the Soroptimist International Makati user access, they can only view the dashboard, statistics, barangay profile, events and reminders, announcement, and the virtual map. In general, this web-based community management information system for Pandi Resettlement Residences stands as an innovative solution poised to empower women and families within the community. This system aims to enhance decision-making process, improve governance, and facilitate efficient data management and community engagement. With its user-friendly interface and robust technical modules, it is anticipated that the system will adeptly collect and monitor demographic data, allowing for the tailored design of programs addressing the community's specific needs and interests, aligned with the value of transformation, collaboration, innovation, and capacitation. This initiative represents a significant step toward creating a lasting positive impact in partnership with Soroptimist International Makati and fellow stakeholders.